Okay, I'm gonna try to get this Desmos like example graph related to this function. I'm gonna link the hyperlink to this particular example. I'm gonna import the image. Okay. On another video, I'll show you how I did all these fancy cool things with Desmos. But for right now, we're just trying to connect to this original problem 13, and then maybe I put a title at the top of this so I know what the heck this is. So I'm gonna hit example 13 from Math to Go. Worksheet. All right, you can move this up here simply by doing this. All right, so now I know what it is. I'm going to save it. Okay, for those of you who don't know, this is the Share tab, and I'm going to share a link first. Now, you can embed this, but I think when you embed it, all it really does is it makes you link it anyway. I'll show you both in a future like video. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna paste this into a whiteboard account or a whiteboard document that I worked on in a different video. Okay. And here is the cut version of it. I went a little bit farther down than before, so I'm gonna make the window. All right, I don't care that it cut the top part off. All right, now down here we have text. I can paste that link in there. I don't think this is live, but they can copy and paste from this, and they can get to that um, I guess, graph. Okay, I'm going to go back to that Desmos file, and I'm going to show you how to copy and paste the image. We're going to export the image. Okay, and you can mess with like which ones you want to use. Like, it really just depends on how you're trying to get the view. I like thin. The square, let's see what small square looks like. Oh no. Let's see what large square looks like. That's okay. Medium square looked like it was better. All right, I like that. We're going to download the PNG. Don't worry about saving this anywhere. Just remember it was downloaded. Since it was downloaded, it's going to be in your download file folder and not anywhere else. If it was important enough for me to name, I would name it, but it's not. All right, because I'm going to put it somewhere else anywhere, and I already got the link to the document, so I don't need to worry about its permanence. All right, let's go back to that Microsoft window or Microsoft whiteboard, and then I want to insert an image. I'm going to go to library image. We're going to go to downloads. And I did this in a longer video. We're going to paste it. We're going to move it. We're going to make it bigger. Now, we're faced with the challenge at this point and trying to find ways to test the kids' knowledge in a manner that shows that they have demonstrated what they're supposed to know, but they're not just cheating and letting somebody else do their work for them, or they're not just like going to a math compiler and saying simplify. So I think that if you're a little bit like think about how you want to assess, you can get that accomplished and not like make it brutally hard. I would think making some statements and comments towards what the horizontal asymptote and all that stuff would be there. So if I wanted to like add that note here, I could say that right now. I could say there's a horizontal asymptote at y equals 0. Okay, I could say there's a vertical asymptote at x equals, I believe it was -7. There is a hole at the point, if I remember right, it was 4, or no, it was 3, comma, 0.4. Okay, that will show that the kid has a little bit more advanced knowledge. If you really wanted to be like a particular person about it, you could say that the y-intercept was at 0, I don't know, what is that, 0.47. Okay. All right, and then domain, we want to do domain x is not -7 or 3. And then we've covered a lot of what it was. Range would be y is not 0. Without getting into fancy symbols and stuff like that, that would be pretty good. All right, that's how you can quickly add stuff to it. And the nice thing about this is you can add the size to that. So I know that's kind of math-centric, but you can see that this has potential in lots of other classes. You can add the link, you can add the image that you want on there, you can type some things about it pretty quickly. It took me a couple minutes to do that. This is the kind of thing that, you know, you could have your kids do to show them that they demonstrate the knowledge, and it shouldn't like take a tremendous amount of time. You could also put a video of you doing it up so they'd have a model to be able to do it. All right, I'm going to quit this video so it doesn't turn out to be a 15-minute ordeal. Thank you for watching.